so I got an easy one for you guys today. I'm gonna do seared skirt steak in a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna do some spicy rice with a chimichurri sauce to finish it off. Really easy. I got this skirt steak right here. Usually you'd use this cut for carne asada. I'm just gonna do some salt and pepper over the top just to season it. Then I'm gonna sear it in the pan for 2-3 minutes aside. Then also, I'm doing a real easy chimichurri sauce. So I got some serrano chilies, garlic, shallot. For some acid, I got a lemon right here with some red wine vinegar I'm gonna pour in there. And I'm just doing equal parts of Italian parsley and some cilantro and extra virgin olive oil to kind of bring it all together. The rice I'm using is basmati rice. I always like using this. It's not that much more expensive than the cheap stuff, so you might as well go with the basmati, which is pretty much the best quality that I like. It always comes out nice and fluffy. The ratio with the liquid is 2 parts water to 1 part rice. I usually set the timer for 18 minutes and simmer it. And you could use stock if you want, but I'm using chicken bouillon and some tomato bouillon. I'm doing half and half. And just to make it spicy, I'm throwing some serrano peppers and some garlic in there also. So stick around and check it out. It's gonna be quick, gonna be easy. Just something super practical you could do anytime, so check it out. But I also forgot to mention, I'm throwing some oregano in there with the chimichurri. If you use fresh oregano, it's gonna be really strong, so you gotta kind of watch out because you don't want it too overpowering, but when you use dry oregano, you can use a little bit more and it won't be too bad, so there you go. All right, so all you have to do is get some oil in a pan, get it nice and hot, medium-high heat, throw the serrano peppers and the garlic in there, sweat it for a minute, then you're gonna put your rice in and get it just toasted just a little bit and add the liquid after that. All right, so get yourself some kosher salt, fresh black pepper. Just season your steak really good. Get a crazy hot pan, get a cast iron or stainless steel and get a good sear on the meat. Always remember to cut it against the grain. And that's pretty much it. By that time, everything's gonna be done and put together, so let's do it. All right, guys, there is your skirt steak with chimichurri and some spicy rice for you guys. It probably should take you like 45 minutes. The only thing that's gonna take a really long time is doing the rice. You know, cook for 18 minutes, and after that, I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just in the pot to kind of let it rest a little bit. And then the steak isn't gonna take you long at all. You just season it and throw it on the pan, cook it. And then the chimichurri, you could be doing that while everything else is going too, so. So if you like things herbaceous, then you probably like this. Like I said, super simple. You can do this any day of the week. I don't know how everybody else likes it, but I like my ribeyes, the fattier cuts, I like a medium. If I'm eating something lean like a filet mignon, I like a rare, medium rare. And usually this type of cut, I like to usually dice it up for like carne asada, make it into small chunks. And if I'm doing tacos or something like that, I cook it well done. I don't even care, but everybody's different. Everybody's got their own preference on stuff, so. Man, that chimichurri is awesome, dude. Seriously, you put that on chicken, fish, beef, whatever. Try it out. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.